Hey guys, out here in the shop today, but today's not going to be a shop related project. I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to do something a little bit different today. Many of you know, if you've been following us for a while, know I am type 1 diabetic, and so I got a new insulin pump. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. We're going to unbox it and take a look. So hang tight. All right, so got me a new insulin pump. I've been using uh, Medtronic. See if I can get this in the camera here. Sorry, guys. So I've been using a Medtronic. This is 780G for the last few years. I've been on Medtronic pump for quite a while now, since I think it was the 630 or 660. But I've been using, for those of you that are familiar with diabetics or maybe on pumps yourself, I've been using the Dexcom CGMs, continuous glucose monitors. When I did the upgrade on the 680G, I got a month supply of their new sensors for it. However, with the way my insurance is, uh, getting those was just, I couldn't afford them. So my endocrinologist put me on the Dexcom, which was a whole lot cheaper. However, they do not work with this pump. So I've been riding this pump out. My warranty went up last month, so I decided to go with the Tandem. This one is the Tandem T-Slim X2. It's been out for several years. They've done upgrades to it since then. So I had a few different choices on what I wanted to do. I decided to go with this one just because their new one, the Mobi, and then also the Omnipod only holds 200 units of insulin, where this one, and same way with my Medtronic, holds 300 units of insulin. I still burn through a little too much insulin. I am working on that, but for right now, this is what I went with. So the Tandem T-Slim X2. This is the parts kit. And then I got 3 months of supplies. So infusion set and reservoirs. So let's crack these open real quick and just kind of see what's in them. I don't know how far in the weeds I'm going to go with as far as showing y'all, about my diabetic stuff. Like I said, for those of you that have followed me for a while, I'm sure you've heard Tina or myself mention that I am type 1 diabetic. It's just something that I've never really felt the need to actually make a point of. So, I mean, this is something I deal with on a personal level, just like millions of other people do. So, I wasn't sure just how far into this I wanted to share. But I figured for this, I'll just go ahead and do an unboxing. So, open the package up. Oh, wow, that's small. So this is the pump. Let me pull my 780G back out. So size-wise, it's actually about the same total footprint. See if I can get that up on here. It is a lot thinner. About the same width, so it's not too bad. Again, one of the reasons on swapping too, besides that, I've got a heck of a crack that I developed, I noticed a couple months ago. I keep this thing in a case, but I don't know what I did. I did something. So, but yeah, that's the pump. It's a little bulkier feeling. It's not bad. And then let's see what's in. Let's see what's in here. Like I said, this is going to be kind of a different video showing something that I'm not used to sharing outside of close friends and family that I deal with on a daily basis. And especially those that I work with. But this one's probably a lot of the paperwork. Novel. Charging cable and upgrade port. Which it is a, see if I can get this, micro USB cable. Which I know Medtronic's been using these, or no, I'm sorry, Tandem's been using this for several years, but you think by now they could do a hardware upgrade and make it Type C. Just a little charging brick. It does come with a little case for it. Looks like that's, and then tool to swap out the reservoirs. So, see if I can get that back in there. But anyway, like I said, I just kind of wanted to show a little something different. Part of my life that I don't normally share like this. If anybody finds this that is diabetic and looked at it for the pump and stuff, this is not a diabetic channel by any means. I just happen to have diabetes and sharing with those of you that do follow me and just show you a little bit about my life that I haven't shared. So I don't know if I'll get into the weeds too much about dealing with this. Sorry, words are hard right now. So that's something I've still got to kind of figure on. I've got my pump insulation, give you grief. Pump training set up. I do that Thursday. This is Monday, December 9th, 2024. So Thursday I do my pump training, which I'm going to go ahead and take this in, charge it up, and go ahead and kind of get it filled up or set up, because the phone app on this, which I can't show you because I'm recording this on my phone, I'll be able to do bolus from my phone to this, which was another reason for wanting to go with the T-Slim versus staying with Medtronic, because I can have this in my pocket, or if I'm wearing my overalls, which a lot of times I have shorts or sweatpants underneath, and kind of have my insulin pump buried. So if I got a bolus for going out to eat, I'm always having to dig it out, where this way I won't have to. I can actually do that from my phone. That was kind of another thing too, along that the Medtronics app is really not that great. So I haven't been able to play with Tandem's app yet, because I gotta get this paired with it, and I'll start messing with some of the settings and stuff. I might show you some of the stuff after I get done with my training and get this more set up, and show you side by side between this and my Medtronic pump. Again, if you're coming in here because of the title, like I said, I'm not a diabetic channel. There's other channels that's going to be way better at teaching and showing these stuff that you want to see than I am. This is just sharing just a small part of my life that, like I said, I don't normally share. But this is going to be, just like I said, just short, sweet video. I appreciate you guys watching. Yeah, I think I will do a little update once I get settings done up and I do my pump training. But until then, I appreciate you guys watching. Stick around. We'll see what we get into next time. And bye-bye for now.